So don't you just get annoyed when someone unfollows you and you want to check out who unfollowed you on Instagram? So instead of scrolling down the list of the hundreds of thousands of people you have on your followers list, I say that there's a better solution to this problem than that. Hey guys, Vezio here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can check who recently unfollowed you on Instagram. Who are your unfollowers on Instagram? Before starting this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you haven't seen how you can increase your followers on Instagram, make sure to watch this video, which is on the screen and is also in the I button right now. So without further ado, let's get right into how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So all you need to do is go onto the link given in the description or go onto the Google Play Store and download this app called Follower Insight. It is a free app available on Play Store. I'll also leave the link to a same application for iOS devices. So all you need to do is go onto your App Store or Google Play Store and download this app and open it up. So once you open the app up, it will ask you to sign in with your Instagram account. As you can see, I've already signed in. So just go ahead and sign in with your Instagram account. And as you can see, the first one says unfollowers, and it will show you the people who you follow, but they do not follow you back. So you can just go ahead and click on unfollow to unfollow them right here. And as you can see, 0 unfollowers. You can scroll down and see ghost followers. The people who follow you, but you do not follow them back. These are the ghost followers. Mutual followers are the followers that you follow and they also follow you back. And recent unfollowers will show you all the people that have unfollowed you recently. So that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and make sure to stick around by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you.